Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica with M Shine Plans, and this is going to be a ink comparison video. I have been asked to compare two different inks, and I have been asked to compare Ferris Wheel Press's Oyster Hour to Ferris Wheel Press's Workshop Wishes. And I'm sitting here right by my door. The way my living room is set up, my door is right next to my table, so you see the sunlight come in. But everybody wants to know, are these the same ink, but this one just with shimmer? So we are going to find out today. So we're going to go to the back of my swatch book. Please excuse me, I'm fighting pollen like it is nobody's business. And I'm going to grab 2 Q-tips. So I swatched this ink in a video, and everybody was like, how does it compare to Oyster Hour? And to me, they're the same, but with the shimmer. But honestly, I don't know. So that, to me, they do. So we're going to compare it now. So this is Ferris Wheel Press's Oyster Hour, and this is what the bottle looks like. Very beautiful ink to journal in. I love this ink. I love using this ink in my prayer journal. And I'm just going to take a Q-tip and just push that down. So let's see. Got enough. So this is Oyster Hour. Yeah, I do all my swatches with Q-tips, so. Okay. We're going to let that dry. And we're going to ball this back up because I know me, I'm so clumsy. Actually, let's do this while we're just do a writing sample. Okay. I don't want to waste ink, so I'm trying to use it up. And there's still a little ball right there, but we'll let it go for now. So that's Ferris Wheel Press's Oyster Hour. Now this ink has no shimmer. This is just straight ink. So now Workshop Wishes comes in this beautiful 30 milliliter bottle. And as you can see, it does have that shimmer at the bottom. Oh, look at that hitting the sunlight. It's so pretty. So I don't want to have bubbles in my ink. So I'm just going to gently turn and mix the ink. I know one of my videos I said shake vigorously. No, I've learned you don't want to shake vigorously. And this is a 20 mil, not a 30 mil. You want to distribute the ink evenly without having bubbles. You see that at the bottom? I don't know if you can tell. Let's see how it's distributing. You can see my ring light. Okay. So. Oh, Q-tip number 2. And you can see, I don't know, oh gosh, look at that. You can see all the shimmer on my Q-tip. Look at that. It is so pretty. This is gonna be hard, y'all. I tell you what, we're gonna wait till it dries and we're gonna see. I'm trying to get a lot of that shimmer on there. Okay. And let me get a writing sample. Let me dip and get a writing sample before. And that's the only thing my pen will not, or my dip will not fit. And I think I got enough here. Now this ink is a part of their fairy tale collection. Oh, y'all, this may not be the same. Ooh, look. This may not be the same. I may be, and I'm not the best color commentator. I may have been wrong, y'all. Oh my gosh. This may not be the same. Ooh. So, we're going to give it a few minutes and let it dry down. All right, so they both have dried. Yeah, I take back what I said. I don't think they're the same, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, I have the sunlight gleaming in right here, and you can see some of the elements of the sun. This ink is more brown than this ink. I can see elements of like blue right here and some graying. And if you look at the writing samples, of course, without the shimmer, they're completely different. But yeah, they are two separate inks. So, and even if you look on the back, I always like to look at the back. You really can't tell. But there are times I have looked on the back of my sheet and it's a different color. But yeah, the sheening is so different. Like you can see though that element of blue right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. And don't let my green nail affect that. But with this one, with Workshop Wishes, you don't see that. And it even tells you there is no sheen. So I really don't think they are the same ink with shimmer. So for those of you who I said that to, hey, listen, I apologize. I have been proven wrong with this this ink comparison. So if you feel like you want to go purchase Workshop Wishes, I'm going to say do it. But I'm also going to say use my code below so you can go ahead and save some money off. But yes, this ink is definitely not the same. It is definitely not the same. So that is that particular ink comparison video. If there's something else you would like to see, you guys, please let me know. This is so much fun, comparing inks and seeing what's different and what's the same about it. Again, Oyster Hour is a very good ink to journal with. I have journaled with it in my prayer journal, my 5-year journal, and sneak peek, this is going to be one of my inks for March. So see what pen I'm going to come back to see what pen I'm going to use it in. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate this, and thank you to those who asked for the comparison. I tried to deliver. I'm sorry it is late, but here it is. Thank you so much. And in the meantime, in between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.